Alright, this is for the Firman T07573 tri-fuel generator. It's really common at Costco. It's like 9,400 watts starting, 7,500 watts running with gasoline. So here in California we just had all these storms and we were running them. They got our power back. There's gas in the tank. Unfortunately, there is no drain on these. This is the fuel line. It goes from the valve there, which is this when you turn it to the gas position there on the right. That allows the gas to flow out of the gas tank and in through this line down into the carburetor, which is located over here. So all I've done is splice in a T, 1/4 inch T. I think 5/16 might work as well. And you simply put the T in and then collect it here. So right now there's no gas coming out of that, as you can see. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to turn that to the run position on gas. And you can see gas is now draining out of the tank. I don't think it really matters if you loosen that lid, because I believe these are vented through the tube here that goes into the gas tank and goes down to the charcoal canister. Yeah, this is my first video for YouTube in a long time. I hope it was helpful. I know a lot of us have these generators, Firman from Costco. They're pretty amazing, to be honest. Really helped my family out. All right, like and subscribe. Also there's a couple of other users out there on YouTube who have some great videos that explain the ethanol that's in our gasoline and how to get that out, or how to combat some of the problems that it will introduce to a fuel system, like on a generator. These things do not like the ethanol. It is very damaging to the carburetor and the tank and other stuff. So, all right, good luck.